gosh. There's a ginormous manatee in the water right there. I just started to film my promotional video for fall skin camp. I had to do it again because the audio didn't work. But this thing is enormous. It must be like 6 feet long. Anyways, back to what I originally came out here for, was to tell you that fall skin camp registration is officially open. Let's see if this manatee comes back. So beautiful. SkinCamp is where I teach my tutorial-based lessons on how to apply your products, your makeup, your hair care, hair growth stimulating, biohacking, pre-post rejuvenation recovery, and of course peels for the face and body, as well as dermal rolling for the face and body as well with advanced protocols. No, I don't teach my tutorials on YouTube because these are more expert level tutorials. Register early to get early bird savings, and VIPs save 15% on all of their skincare, hair care, hair, skin, nail supplements, dermal rollers, grooming products for the entire fall season. SkinCamp is the place to be to get the more off-the-cuff version of me and the tutorials that you are looking for that nobody else is doing to this level. I really look forward to seeing you soon over in Fall SkinCamp. Register now. We begin really soon over at theschoolofradiance.com. It's gonna pop up again. They're so cool. My first time seeing a manatee.